Hello, I'm Dr. Mike Milligan. I'm here with David Block of Aesthetic
Hello.
Porcelain Studios. David,
How you doing, Mike?
Thanks for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Great. David has Aesthetic Porcelain Studios. It's a lab in California, and high-end cosmetic implant. This is a wonderful lab to use. David I've known for several years. Fantastic individual, very conscientious about his quality of his work and also the quality of his relationships. David, tell us a little bit about your lab.
Well, I've been in business approximately 37 years. It is a full-service laboratory. My focal point really is on high-end cosmetic restorations. Obviously, we do implants, and obviously we do the traditional bread and butter type of restoration. My, again, focal point is really educating doctors in terms of what materials they should be utilizing as opposed to materials that they shouldn't be using. So those are the key points that I emphasize as far as relationships, with doctors and trying to educate them on that.
Great. And David's agreed he's going to have some other information on our site about that, and we really look forward to that. But as far as a high-end lab or also just general dental, crowns, bridges, and things like that, David is good. His lab produces all of those things for us.
Correct.
And would be a good resource for us.
Absolutely.
David, you also have some other products.
Yeah, back in 1998, I developed a kit. It's called Easy Contact. Easy Contact actually enables a doctor to go in the mouth and add a contact, elongate a ponic, fill in embrasure spaces. The biggest usage that I actually have of this kit is, for example, if a patient comes into your office and they have a 6-unit anterior bridge, piece of porcelain chips off or breaks off on a central. Okay, most doctors unfortunately are going to try to repair it. In my opinion, it's going to end up looking like a bad paint job.
Right.
Okay, the uniqueness of this kit, it actually has a chameleon effect. So whatever the shade is of the porcelain crown, it picks up the underlying color, matches it perfectly. Okay, one shade matches it all. And if it doesn't work, I will definitely guarantee that the doctor could get every single nickel and dime that he's got invested in this kit back.
Great.
And I actually sell thousands of these kits per year. It is guaranteed to work.
Okay.
And I have to say that probably every single doctor out there that's listening to this interview probably says, well, you know what, I've got 3 of these kits in my cupboard and I've heard the story over and over again. Again, I can only tell you that Dr. Joe Blaze, the editor of Dental Economics, Joe uses his kit whenever he lectures around the country. Most of my business is real referrals and recommendations, from other doctors. So again, in summary, if the kit doesn't work, I will guarantee every nickel and dime that you've got invested right back. So it is a great first aid kit. That's pretty much really what it boils down to.
Super. Well, David, thanks so much. Appreciate it.
My pleasure, and I appreciate the time that you're taking to interview me over here.
Great.
Thank you very much for your time.